All right, everybody, watch this. This is the Euro CAD 30-minute chart. As you can see, it's at the bottom of my screen. We have triple arrows. This is for a short sniper trade, and this is with those channels that I gave you guys. So I'm going to take this chart right now. All right, and I already have it set, and I'm going to buy, and I'm going to slide my stop loss. That's pretty much all the work you need to do. Since this is at the bottom of the channels, I'll put it right there. All right, and put that. All right, so when you first do that, okay, we're all set. Boom. I'm gonna put my stop loss. This is something we normally don't do because, but since I'm trading within the channels, I'm gonna put it right about here. Why? Because here, see, boom, hit it again, boom. So if it goes there, we're looking at about 495 on that one. Okay, not bad. So again, triple arrows. This is a London session. It's about going on 3 a.m. Central Time, London session. So again, triple arrows 30-minute chart on the EuroCAD. So we'll come back and take a look at this. This is another way you can trade. You don't have to always trade the 1 hour for the long distance from arrow to arrow. This is for those who like to scout the market. You can do this on a 15-minute chart as well. Let me click to the 15. But see, it's different on the 15, as you can see, because it hasn't figured out, okay, what is the actual bounce lines, because it trended from the triple L here all the way down, which is, like I said, at the top of my screen. As you can see, top of the screen, if you measure from here to here, you see it's right up here at the top. So that's the reason why it dropped so far. And now it's at where? The bottom of the screen, triple arrow on the 15 as well. But since the channel showed up on the 30-minute to give me a parameter, because it said, okay, now it was an established channel trade, trend trade with channels. Channel mean these lines, auto trend lines. So see, it bounced here, bounced several times here, respected the lines there, came down. Now it hit this line on the dot. See that trend line? You don't have to draw it in. It does it automatically. It recognized it on the 30, not the 15. And so therefore now it's saying, okay, boom, it should bounce up. And then we have our triple arrow confirmation. So it should come up to the other side of the channel. But again, I'm not trying to be greedy. I could move it up to right about here. And that'll be in line with this one here, but why be greedy? Just go ahead and take some to the area that you see it actually touched multiple times before. And so we're going to wait and see. All right, so we'll pause the video, come back. Okay, guys, as you can see, remember my stop loss was right here and it went into profit. So that was a good trade. So again, what you could do, you can trade from the channels and simply create the channels. The channels will create themselves. Just use the channels that I gave you. And once you see the triple arrows, put your stop loss right at the top there. So again, that was a good trade. We'll try some more in the future. Okay. So that was off the 30-minute chart. You can use it on the 15 either way. But once you see the arrows at the top of the channel or at the bottom of the channel, you'll put your stop loss just like normal. But this time you'll be taking shorter trades. But nevertheless, it'll be within the channels, because as you can see here, touched. That's why the channels create themselves automatically, because it realized, okay, it was touched, and then the next anticipation is it for it to touch. And as you can see, look, it stopped dead in that channel. See right here, it spiked and touched red dead in the channel, dead in the channel. Okay, so that's just something for you guys. Just a little extra way of trading. Bye.